Welcome to Cleveland Schoolyard's annual Lantern Festival. Everything over here above you, above your head, was made and painted by the students. We sat here in class day in and day out working on our lanterns, on the waterfall, on the lake.
One of the traditions in Chinese New Year is to create lanterns and write your wishes on them and to float them out onto water. And because it's February, we didn't think we could do anything on real water, so we created a glow black light pond installation in our black box theater.
This is the year of the dragon. We have all the stations, how to say hello, how to say thank you, how to say goodbye, how to say Happy New Year, 新年快乐. I just feel like this is a great time for them to build up their skills of being resilient, their hard working, their collaboration skills, bring up their cultural awareness and global awareness. So I think this is a great time for them to grow.
We love our students, but when we see what they are capable of, it's just an amazing feeling.